Some motorcycle accessories are good at one thing, and there's nothing wrong with that, but a few are built for double duty, like the Swingarm Spool Slider. Hang out for a couple of minutes, and I'll show you more. Hi, this is Marc Cook with Twisted Throttle. If you're new here, check out our website at the link below, where you can shop for accessories made to fit your motorcycle. And while you're here, leave us a like on the video and subscribe to our channel for updates on future product, as well as more motorcycle content. Now, most modern sport bikes come with threaded holes in the swing arm meant for spool-like devices to go with your track stand. Now, ever since sport bikes gave up the center stand like 3 decades ago, the swing arm spool has become the easy way to raise the rear tire for maintenance, including chain cleaning and adjustment and rear tire replacement. Now, most swing arm spools aren't also meant to be crash protectors, and that's where the R&G cotton reel swing arm spools are a little bit different. Not only do they offer a lifting spot for a track stand, but they're large enough to offer some protection for the swing arm itself in the event of a minor get-off. Now, unlike metal spools, the R&G cotton reels are made of a high-density polyethylene that absorbs impacts, but also slides easily, which keeps them from digging in and causing even more damage. Now, even better, these are really easy to install. Before you start, just be sure you check out the threads in the swing arm to make sure they're clear of debris. Then you can apply a small amount of medium-strength thread locker to the bolt and install. Now, those bolts don't have to be super tight. In use, these parts aren't really carrying a lot of load, and it's likely you're threading steel bolts into an aluminum swing arm. So go easy, just tight enough so they don't fall off. And really, that's it. Just remember that a set of cotton reels should be considered part of a whole bike protection package. That would include front axle sliders, bar end sliders, frame sliders, and engine case covers. After all, a little protection is fine, but more is always better. Let us know which part of the motorcycle protection package you'd like us to cover next in the comments below, and thanks for watching.